Alright guys, this is a quick one. In today's video, I'll be analyzing the crash market. This is crash 1000 precisely. I'll be showing you guys how I do my analysis right from the daily time frame, which we are currently. Alright, we are in the daily time frame right now, and I will be analyzing it down to the 15 or the 30-minute time frame where I will be taking my entries. Alright, so I'm doing it in order for those of you who don't know how to do analysis yet to have a better understanding of how the pros out there, of how the pro traders do their analysis in order to get better entry. All right, so if you get value, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting much of our time, let me just show you how I do this. So currently, as you can see guys, we are in the daily time frame. All right, so first thing I will do is that I will identify the trend of the market. So bringing out my trend line tool, I'll first of all identify the trend. So as you can see here, this is a downtrend. All right, so after identifying the trend from the daily, I'll go down to the 4 hours to see what is going on down there. So here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see how everything is going perfectly, right? So as you can see right now guys, price is kind of very far from the trend line, and it will take time before price get there. So I'm going to like draw another trend line here, all right, so that I will get a faster entry. All right, you know how we scalper do this. So I'll draw it right here. All right, so as you can see now guys, and see it's as if price is breaking through this second trend line now, going to the up. All right, so let's step down to a 1 hour time frame to have a clearer view. So here on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see now guys, I think price is kind of heading up. Let me adjust this trend line. All right, I want to use the wick of the candle. All right, so whenever you are drawing your trend line, make sure you are using the wicks, all right, the tips of the candle. So now you can see price is breaking above the trend line now. All right, so after identifying this, all right, so I can still spot that this area here, let me put in some support and resistance zone so that we have a better understanding of what price is doing. So you can see there is a support and resistance zone here also. If you want to use that, you can see that price got to this area, the resistance, there was a rejection, then it now broke, retest, right, went up again. There's a support and resistance zone here that rejected price down, right? It came down here, bounced up a little, broke through the support and resistance zone, broke through it above again, where it came down, retest. So you can see all this reaction. These are something that will tell you that yes, this is a very strong support and resistance zone, right? You can see the force price using breaking it down here. You can see that long candle. That's to show you that yes, this is a strong support and resistance zone, and currently price is in that area. All right, so judging from the trend line, you can see that it's breaking it above, but if we are to use a zone, then I will tell you that price is still in that area, right? So let me put in some zone here. You can see that price is still in this zone. So there's every possibility that a spike will come anytime soon, right? A spike might happen anytime soon, but if a spike did not happen, you guys should know, right? So from your observation, you can see that price is about to break this, and whenever it breaks, there should be a retest, and then after that retest, that is when you should look for buy entry, and then you are going to buy till the next trend line here. All right, so you can see now with this you have a better understanding of what the market is doing. But as for me, the way I do mine, I don't trade against spike. All right, so currently now, if I'm to take any risks here, I will like sell. My stop loss is going to be above here, and then TP is going to be somewhere here, right? So that's how we do it. So let's go down to the 30-minute time frame and see what's going on down there. So here again on the 30-minute time frame, everything is pretty much going the same, right? Everything is still good here. Let's go to the 15 and see what's going on down there. So here on the 50-minute time frame, I would like put in some trend line here, counter trend line. All right, so now this is what I will do here, right? Now this is where I will take my first risk, right? I'll put in a sell order here, hoping to that price will come down. So whenever price come down, this is going to be maybe my TP area, TP1, and then whenever price break this, then I'm going to buy. Then this is going to be my TP2, right? This is going to be my TP2, right? So as you can see, based on my own analysis, based on what I'm seeing here, personally, I think this is the way price is going to, this is the way this is going to happen. First of all, it's either price will go up, retest and go to this place, or there can be a rejection. The price will come down, come to this place, retest, and then to the downside, right? So this is the two-way. These are the two ways price is possibly going to react to the market, right? So with this now, I hope you guys learned some few things. I hope you have some clarity of what the market is currently doing. All right. So this is where I will be stopping the video. All right. I'm currently at work and I will not be able to show you guys how this movement happened, so I'll be ending the video here. All right. But the main reason for creating this video is to show you how to do the analysis so that you get an understanding of what the market is doing. All right, I'm not here to take trades. I'm just here to show you how I do my analysis. All right, so if you like it and if you know you are getting value, if you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe, because I do stuff like this from time to time. All right, and sometimes I share with you guys indicator strategy, powerful indicator strategy that will help you grow your small account. All right, so that is it for this video. See you guys in the next video. Silver out.